So we continue with customer card overview in Dynamics system. We've been looking at address and contact. Now let's open and look at invoicing tab. In the first field, bill to customer, you can put additional customer number. This is the list of the customers that will be billed and connected with these customers. So the invoice will be prepared for a different customer. So let's pick one of the existing customers. Now, if I click sales invoice, I can do it from here, new document, and I will just create. As you see, we have customer number, our Canon Group company. This is our sell to customer in the system. And in shipping and billing, we have a bill to another customer, the one we chosen with the customer card. Now, if I post this document, I will just pick one of the items and quickly post it. Okay. Now if I open posted invoice and I will print it and hit preview, you will see that our customer on the invoice is a different customer that we used on the invoice as a customer. So we have different bill to customer than customer. Also, when you use navigate function on posted invoice and you will open customer ledger entries, all the entries of course will be posted on our bill to customer because the payment is for this customer. On invoicing tab, there are also VAT registration numbers. You can verify this number when the service is connected. You can also put GLN. If you want to copy address from the company, you choose company in here for the quotes. If you want to use person's data, just use person. This is data from the contact connected with our customer. And of course, invoice copies. So this is a default invoice copies number that will be used for the invoices. In posting details, you will find 3 posting groups that are used when posting with this customer. This is basically connected with the place that this customer belongs. Normally, this is divided into domestic, EU, and export customers. If I go deeply into the settings, you will find all the product and business posting group combinations. So when our customer is buying desks, system will use this account for the sales, this account for the credit memo, and so on. Here you also defined cost of goods sold accounts and other sales connected discounts and so on. In the second posting group, VAT business posting group, we defined how to treat this customer in terms of VAT calculations. So here we will find all the VAT combinations and some calculation and purchase and sales account setup. In customer posting group, you will find direct connection with receivables account. So here you can connect your domestic, EU, and foreign customers with specific receivables account. In prices and discounts column, you will find currency code. This is default currency connected with this customer. So if you choose, you will connect it with this currency, but you can change it on each document. This is default value. Customer price group and discount group will be covered later in this course. We have also prices including VAT setup. When it's on, when you prepare an invoice, you will calculate the values from the gross amount to the net. So system will calculate from the gross. In the payments tab, you will find default prepayment percentage for this customer. I will show prepayments later in this course. In application method, we decide how do we use applications with this customer. We have manual or apply to the oldest. Here we can also define payment terms. You can put it in days, in months. We will deal with them when we will post and prepare documents. And some methods, also very important because connected with some bank transfer functionality. Reminder terms code will be also covered later, and final charges as well. In shipping, we can define default ship to code. In this case, each customer can have one or many different ship to addresses. In this case, we can define all the details of the address and some location code as a default. So when we prepare sales documents, we can choose one of those on the shipping tab in the sales order, for example. Here is the default, so this one will automatically be chosen on the document. Here is also default location code for this customer. If you use combined shipments, system will allow you to combine shipments from different orders into one invoice. In reserve, you can choose how system will treat this customer in terms of item reservations. So if I choose optional, system will allow you to use reservation, but you have to do it manually. When it's never, system will not allow you to make reservations, and always system will do it automatically. Shipping advice. Partial means that your customer allows you to ship him some partial shipments, and complete, system will not let you do the partial shipment. Some shipment methods. These are some additional tables when you can define some shipment methods, shipment agents, and some services, and some shipping time.